Okay guys, here we go again. Today I will make the scheme of process on Microsoft Excel less than 3 minutes. For the start, I have 5 processes in here and I want to make the scheme of this process. So what I should do here, just click insert, choose illustration, choose smart art and choose process. Choose the type of process that you want. I choose this type. Click OK. And there is smart art style here. Choose the smart art style. Change color. I choose this color. And for the size, I make it more small. And you just select the process and copy Ctrl C. After that, double click for the scheme and Ctrl A and delete. After that, paste. Yes. After that, just change the font color become black and finish. Thank you.